I'm going to teach you a very simple technique that can help you speak on any topic confidently for 60 seconds. Even if you have no preparation and even if you are beginner, and trust me, this technique is so simple that even if you're weak in grammar, you can still speak confidently. So please watch this video till the end, because at the end I will also give you a 60-second speaking formula that you can use in interviews, podcasts, meetings, and even daily conversation. So let's begin. Hello friends, my name is Karishma and welcome back to my channel. I am an advocate by profession and also create videos to help English learners. So first thing, why people can't speak on any topic. Before I teach you the formula, let me tell you why most people fail. The biggest problem is not English, not vocabulary, and not even grammar. The biggest problem is fear and confusion. People think that to speak English, they need to speak like foreigners, and they think they need heavy words. They think that they need perfect structures in grammar. But no, English is not about showing off. It's just about expression, expressing your thoughts. Let me tell you something very honestly. If you can speak confidently, if you can express yourself clearly, then you are already better than 80% of the people. Because most people are silent, they don't speak, they have this hesitation, they just keep everything inside, and that silence kills their confidence, that silence kills their opportunities, and that silence kills their personality too. And the saddest part is, many talented people stay behind in life only because they cannot speak confidently. So I think confidence is the major factor here. They have knowledge, they have skill, they have degrees, but they don't have good communication skill. And communication is power. Today in 2026, if you can speak confidently, you can win interviews and you can build networks. You can just impress your clients. You can grow your business. You can become a better teacher, student, or any professional. So the question is, how can we speak on any topic without preparation? The answer is very simple. You don't need preparation. You need a structure. Speaking is not talent, it's a pattern. Listen carefully. Fluent speakers are not fluent because they know everything. Fluent speakers are fluent because they follow a pattern. They know how to start, they know how to continue, they know how to end. That's it. This is what you have to know. Even if you've given them a random topic like pollution, marriage, technology, childhood memories, they will still speak. Why and how? Because they don't think about topic, they think about structure. And today I will give you that structure. I call it the 60-second speaking formula. It has total 5 steps. If you learn these 5 steps, you can speak on any topic in English for 60 seconds very easily. Right? Number 1 step. Start with the simple definition. It will take 5 to 10 seconds. Then give your personal opinion about that. It will take again 10 to 15 seconds. 2 to 3 points you have to add. Right? It will take 20 to 25 seconds. Give real example. That is mandatory. And at the end, you have to give a conclusion or advice. That's a full formula. Now I will explain you step by step and you will 100% agree with me on this. So number 1 is simple definition. How to start speaking. Most people stop because they don't know how to start. So the easiest way to start is by saying, in my opinion, this topic is about, I talk about this topic, I would say, basically this is related to, for me the topic is very important because this is how you can just initiate the beginning. For example, the topic is confidence. You can just start like this. In my opinion, the confidence means believing in yourself and your abilities. If the topic is technology, the same you can use. I feel that technology means using modern tools to make life easier. If the topic is marriage, you can start with that marriage is a relationship where two people decides to live together and support each other. You see, starting is very easy. You don't need fancy words, vocabularies. You just need to define what exactly is that and what you feel about it. Right? Before we move further, let me quickly tell you about an AI application called Sparky. It is designed to help you practice English 24 by 7. If you don't have any speaking partner, you can just practice with it. It will help you correct your grammar, fluency, and giving you feedback. The best part is it's way too affordable. I mean, it's very nominal. I will mention the link of the Sparky in my comment section as well as in the description box. Just go and check it out. The trial is, I think, free. Just try it, try to speak with it, and let's see a demo now.
Hello. Today we will learn to introduce ourselves. Tell me one thing that you would like others to know about you.
I am 5 years working experience. I have a BSc degree.
Great effort. You shared good information. Try saying, I have 5 years of work experience and a BSc degree. What do you enjoy most about your job?
Let's come to the second point, personal opinion, right? Make it very natural and relatable first. Now, after definition, you must add your personal opinion. This is where your speech becomes emotional and natural. You can say that I personally feel or I believe from my experience, I have noticed. These are the lines which you can use before you share your opinion. For example, if I talk about confidence, you can say, I personally feel that confidence is the key to success because without confidence, even talent becomes useless. Now your audience will connect because your audience wants real talk, not the textbook written talk, right? Step 3, give 2 to 3 points about it. Now the main part is most people don't know what to speak after 2 lines. So step is the most important. Give 2 to 3 points, and the best way to do that is to use linking words like first of all, secondly, another point is, the biggest reason is, also, moreover, apart from that, furthermore, one more thing is, this is how you can just add linking words. This is called linking words. For example, the topic is again, if it's confidence, so you can say, first of all, confidence improve your personality. Secondly, confidence help you speak without fear. And thirdly, confidence gives you courage to take risk. Now you have already 40 seconds of speaking. Step 4 is give one real example that will make the content relatable, and this is what I usually do in even my speech, because example makes your speech alive. And let me give you example also. For example, when I started speaking English, I used to feel nervous, but slowly when I started practicing daily, my confidence improved and now I can speak in front of anyone. Now your audience will feel that she is real, she has faced the same problem. Last step, conclusion or advice. Now end with advice. English is very important because it creates impact. So you can use in the end, that's why I feel it, we should remember. So in the end, I just want to say, don't want to wait for perfect English. Start speaking because confidence comes from practice. That's it. Your 5 steps are over. Now you can speak on any topic for 60 seconds. It's not really a big deal. Now let's do practical demo. Live speaking example I will share, okay? I will show you how you can use this formula on different topics, because watching example is the best way to learn, and I want you to pause this video and practice after me. Example one topic is failure, okay? I will tell you 60-second speech. Failure means when we try something and we don't get the result we expected. But in my opinion, failure is not the end of life, it is actually a lesson. First of all, failure teaches us what doesn't work. Secondly, it makes us mentally stronger. And thirdly, it improves our discipline, because after failure, we start taking life seriously. For example, when I started my English journey, I failed many times. I made mistakes, people laughed, and sometimes I felt embarrassed. But those failures helped me improve and become confident. So, in the end, I want to say, don't be scared of failure. Be scared of not trying, because failure is temporary but quitting is permanent. I hope you understand this, and let me share one more topic so that I can also have my practice done. So the topic I'm taking, it's very simple or easy. Social media. You can start like this. Social media is a platform where people share their thoughts, photos, and lifestyle online. In my opinion, Social media is both useful and dangerous. First of all, it helps us learn new things. Second, it stay connected with people. Third, it gives opportunities like business, growth, content creation, and personal branding as well. But another point is it can waste a lot of time and create comparison. For example, many people see others' perfect life on Instagram and started feeling depressed. They forget their own blessings. So, in the end, I want to say that use social media as a tool, not as an addiction. Control it, or otherwise, it will start controlling you. So this is how you can speak on any topic. And if you have noticed that I have used that 60 seconds formula, that exactly what I have told you in the beginning, that's how I have prepared my speech. That's what I said. Maybe sometimes I go here and there, but it's very natural. It's not exactly that you can use firstly, secondly, thirdly. Sometimes we will use after that another point I want to add here. That's your own creativity if you can add. But it will definitely make you confident if you will learn this one formula and try to stick on this particular formula, right? Now I will tell you that why this formula works. Now you might be thinking that it's really that easy. Yes, because your brain loves structures. Without structure your brain start panicking. It get panic. That's why when someone asks you suddenly to speak, you feel blank. But if you know the pattern, you don't feel fear, you don't feel confusion, you just simply start speaking. And once you start speaking, your confidence automatically grows. Remember one thing, fluency is not about speaking fast, fluency is not even about speaking continuously. Even if you speak slowly, even if you use very basic words, if you speak continuously for 60 seconds, that is fluency. And 60 seconds is just enough to impress anyone if you want to make an impression, because most people cannot even speak for 15 seconds. The magic line method I will also tell you. Whenever you feel like that you are using a lot of filler, which can help you boost your fluency. So sometimes while speaking your mind becomes blank in the middle, so you need some filler lines that give you time. These are very powerful lines. Use these lines when you forget what to say. For example, let me explain this in a simple way. If I talk from my personal experience, many people don't realize this, but one more important point is the main reason behind this. Let's take an example. I do that whenever I feel stuck or I feel that I'm blank. I always say, okay, let's take an example. Let me share something personal. That's how I just use these filler words. It's not the filler words, you can say that it's the way of articulation. If you really want to make your speaking better, you should know how to talk, how to articulate. So it's very natural to forget sometimes, to get blank sometimes. Use these fillers, this will help you. Okay, one more thing I would like to share, that why most people never improve. Because the reality is many people watch videos like this, they feel motivated, they say, wow, this is so useful. But after watching, they do nothing. They just simply watch and feel motivated, and they feel that they have spent their time watching something productive. But what is the benefit of this if you don't practice? People don't speak after watching this video. They just watch and then they complain that English nahi aati. I mean, English won't come from watching videos only. English will come from speaking. So you have to speak. That is the universal truth. Even if you are alone, even if nobody listens, even if you are feeling silly or shy, because your future success is more important than your current embarrassment. So when you start speaking, slowly your confidence will grow, because confidence only comes with speaking. That's why I given you that 60-second formula, because if you are able to speak fluently for 60 seconds, you can even speak more. And one day you will surprise yourself. You will realize, wow, I can speak English. I will tell you my personal story, right? When I started learning English, I used to feel very nervous. Even while speaking one sentence, I used to think that whether I'm speaking correct or not, like the people do that. But you know what, when I have started my YouTube channel, that's when I get confidence, and I just I wanted to show the real side of me, that this is how I'm speaking wrong English. I used to fumble a lot, and I try to avoid English in the beginning. But once I have decided, I did that. Because it's not the people who judge you, it's you. So thereafter I started recording myself, and slowly my English improved, my confidence improved, my personality improved. So I just want to tell you that if you're scared, it means you are growing. Fear is a sign that you're doing something, you're putting your effort somewhere. So just keep putting your effort so that one day you can also get the good result. So as I promised in the beginning, I'm gonna give you 60 seconds interview formula. I call it ASKR. The first A represents about yourself. 10 seconds you have to speak who you are plus your background. For example, my name is Karishma and I belong to Delhi. I completed my education in this. Second, S. S means skill. Your strongest 2 3 skill you have to specify. Your key strength in communication. K is represent key achievement. 15 seconds. One achievement anywhere. I worked on this company where I've improved and learned this thing. The last is R, reason why you are best, why they should hire you. So I am hardworking, disciplined, and always focus on results. I believe I can contribute positively to your company, and I'm ready to learn, grow, and give my best. That's how your 60-second speech will complete. Let me give you a proper demo. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Karishma. I am from Delhi. I have completed my education from Delhi University. I have strong skills in communication, teamwork, and problem solving. I am also a quick learner and I handle pressure calmly. During my studies, I worked on this company, which helped me improve my confidence and responsibility. I believe that I am good fit for this role because I am hardworking, sincere, and always focused on improving myself. I'm excited to work with your company and I will give my 100%. Thank you. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also let me know the suggestion that on which topic you want me to create another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.